here I am at a Cambodian market in Siem Reap. Just ate some nice lotus blossoms. So you take these seeds out and eat them. Yummy? Delicious? Buying things to take with us to the village to eat.